O.J. Simpson got found not guilty and still lost in the civil case. That's
Right,
not true.
but we're saying if he pleads guilty, depending on what the deal is, and he says
can use
yes
that in the
and
civil
pleads
case.
guilty, they can use it in
But
the
his
civil
attorneys
case.
wouldn't even
OJ
back
was,
him down.
OJ was found not guilty. Totally two different things.
That's not true because a lot of the
He's
if you
found
notice
guilty civilly though. Is what
and,
he
and
said.
if you yes, and if you
But this is
notice a lot of Diddy's civil cases are getting dismissed because they're not strong. So
Right.
just because a criminal case could be way stronger than a civil case could. So no.
Well, in this, whatever that plea deal was, in the conversations they were having in court on Friday, Diddy's team is arguing that he might have lived a swinger lifestyle, but he's never done anything inappropriate or criminal, and that was coming from the head of his legal team, Mark Agnifilio. Now, he said that in the world that Diddy lived in as his mogul, this entertainment mogul, being a swinger was common. So basically, Diddy is being prosecuted, according to his team, for something that is a common lifestyle. And that's what they're going to lean into heavily when he goes to court, which may provide some issues only because, there's a conversation around like people saying that they were drugged against their will, forcible things that happened to them. So depending on who, and we still don't know, depending on what their evidence is and who they're going to have taken a stand, that can completely flip, especially because we know Cassie's going to be taking a stand, right? And if the swinger lifestyle, which she did engage in at some points, but at some point it turned the other way.